ambitious enough for me. Sis, calm yourself down. Calm yourself down. What I say to women, especially today, especially modern Muslim women today, Muslim women living in the modern world, try to line your expectations with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's baseline, right? It will help you. You're not settling. It's not a bad thing. It's a very wise thing to do, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's baseline is the correct baseline. That is the baseline, okay? He's a believer. He treats you as he should treat a believer, right? Which we already know, mashallah, is very well, okay? Yani in terms of respect, in terms of communication, all these things, right? He's doing his job as a husband and a father. He's committed to you. He's present in this life with you. He's building with you. Khalas kida. No, and I'm sorry, because sisters will get upset with me because there's so much more.
Yeah.
But that's not a recipe for longevity.